Earthquakes happen all the time, all over the world. You don't perceive most of them, but when you start to feel the earth is shaking, the ground is crumbling, and things are starting to fall, are you ready to face this kind of catastrophe? Ask yourself, am I really prepared or am I unprepared? Is your house sturdy enough? Do you have an emergency kit ready? Do you know where to go during the quake? During the earthquake, don't panic. Drop, cover, and hold. Stay away from windows and avoid shattered glass. If you are in a vehicle, pull over to a clear location and stop. When everything is over, look around. Make sure it's safe to move. Expect aftershocks. Check for injuries. Stay away from damaged areas. Listen to the news for the latest emergency information. We don't know when an earthquake can happen, so it's important to be ready, get prepared, and to be calm, because an earthquake can happen anytime, anywhere. You'll never know.
Created using Powtoon.